Hi, I'm Belinda Carley, the creator of Create Cosmetic Formulas, and I'm going to show you a couple of features of this program to help you get the most out of it. First of all, the program helps you create your formulas simply by you choosing what you want in there or specifically avoiding what you don't. I'm going to show you first with the balm for the lips. So sign into your Create Cosmetic Formulas program and select Balm Lips Organic and click on Create. Your formula will then show up. Now what I've done with the formula is I have got some base materials. This helps stabilize the product, but for certified organic products it also helps you achieve your minimum compliance requirements. So you won't be able to alter some ingredients, otherwise you wouldn't meet the minimum inputs required. Now I've calculated all of those in the background of this program, so you don't need to worry about it. But where there's some minimum levels set, it could be that I need you to have that much present so that you can meet the compositional requirements, so that you can certify your formula through Cosmos. You will see in the program where you need to add materials. You can select by clicking on this button and it will tell you how many you need to select. In this example, you need to select at least 1 up to 5 different lipid materials. So I'm going to select almond oil and the aloe vera extract in sunflower oil, just to show you how it works. You can then return to the formula and they're present there. Now I can put in the amounts I want to use. And you will see there are some limits. Now if you're not sure and you enter too much, don't worry, the program will tell you. Just go back and fix that input. I have some very specific inputs where it's important for the product, so again you'll be prompted on making the right sort of selections. And then when you've made your selections, click on Generate Method and your formula and method will be provided for you. I've created a common cosmetic terminology booklet that you'll receive in your welcome email when you subscribe with us. In this booklet I've got a lot of information about calculating reconstitution values, also the different product forms in the program and the different types of ingredients you might use as well. There's a lot of information in this booklet. Please make sure you read this before you start creating your formulas. When you make organic formulas, you often need to replace water with an organic material. I'm going to show you an example using the oil in water cream. What you'll see here that there is a minimum requirement on these water alternatives so you can meet certification requirements. And I've built this minimum to accommodate other materials you might want to include in the formula, so the percentages always work out just right for the certifier. There's a lot of different choices here that you can pick from, and all of the materials I have in this program are from small material suppliers. We have a page on our website. Just go to our website and pick the Ingredients Suppliers tab and you'll see we have a worldwide small material supplier site. Now if you are from a country and you know of a small material supplier that's not listed here, please tell us, we'll happily add them. So you can get all of these materials from the various suppliers listed here around the world. Some organic products are permitted to have a small input of synthetic materials just to achieve their performance and functionality. Now you don't have to add this if you don't want to, and I've made it really easy for you to know when you look at the program. Let's take a look at the shampoo, for example. There's some surfactants that have a small synthetic input, so if that's the case, I do let you know. For example, if you have a look at this entry here, I tell you that this particular material is naturally derived with synthetic components. So if you only want to use all natural and naturally derived ingredients, simply avoid it in your formula. Be careful with your preservatives. There's a lot of preservatives that do contain synthetic substances. They're nature identical, which means they're identical to that which occur in nature, but for cosmetic preparations, they are sourced from synthetic materials. And again, I let you know so that you don't claim your formula is all natural if it does contain even a small proportion of these synthetic materials. I'll put that into each ingredient description for you so that you can properly represent your material in the marketplace, and don't call it all natural if it does in fact contain even a small amount of synthetic ingredients. As you can see, there are some all natural and naturally derived choices, so simply pick those if you want an all natural and naturally derived product. I've also listed actives in all of the different product forms, but I've helped you by only listing the actives that will suit the different formulation types. Some product choices will have a lot of choice of actives. Some product choices, the actives might be quite limited to comply with organic philosophies and your certification requirements. But I've included these in the program so that you can just pick from the list and know that your product will always be compliant to organic standards. With over 300 different ingredients to choose from, and we add more all the time based on member requests, there's so much choice in here, and as you can see, the program helps you build the formula easily and then gives you the method to put it together properly every time. So come on, get creative with Create Cosmetic Formulas. Happy formulating!